In a significant leap for European missile defense, the first production GF300 MRI radar has successfully passed factory acceptance tests, marking a crucial milestone in the development of the next-generation SAMP/TNG system. This advanced air and missile defense system, developed under the FSAF-PAAMS program and managed by the Organization for Joint Armament Cooperation (OCCAR), is set to enhance the defensive capabilities of the French Air and Space Force. The system is designed to counter a broad spectrum of aerial threats, from ballistic missiles to drones and cruise missiles, reinforcing France's strategic resilience. The GF300 MRI radar, based on cutting-edge active electronically scanned array (AESA) technology, offers 360-degree coverage and an extended detection range. This capability enables the radar to track and classify multiple threats simultaneously, even in electronically contested environments. The radar underwent rigorous performance validation at Thales facility in Limours, France, ensuring it meets the highest operational standards. Developed by Thales and Eurosam with support from the French Directorate General of Armaments, DGA, and OCCAR, the radar's successful testing signifies the readiness of the industrial supply chain for large-scale production. Now the GF300 MRI is being integrated into the first SAMP/TNG unit, soon to be delivered for initial operational assessments by the French Air and Space Force. The SAMP/TNG represents a major advancement over its predecessor, the SAMP/T Mamba. Designed for the protection of strategic assets and deployed forces, this system leverages the Aster 30 missile family alongside an advanced radar platform to provide full-spectrum air defense. Capable of intercepting a range of threats, including theater ballistic missiles at distances up to 600 kilometers, the SAMP/TNG ensures robust and flexible defensive coverage. Its compatibility with NATO air defense networks further enhances its strategic value, allowing rapid deployment on tactical platforms such as the Renault Carax in France and the Astra 8x8 in Italy. Equipped with 8 ready-to-launch Aster 30 missiles, the SAMP/TNG can respond within 10 seconds, engaging targets at a maximum range of 100 kilometers with high precision. Its multifunction radar can simultaneously track up to 100 threats and engage 10 at once. Already adopted by France, Italy, Singapore, and Ukraine, the system is evolving with the NG variant, incorporating a rotating AESA radar and an improved Aster 30 Block 1NT missile to bolster interception capabilities, especially against emerging ballistic threats. The geopolitical landscape further underscores the importance of Europe's independent air defense capabilities. With shifting U.S. foreign policy dynamics and uncertainties regarding NATO commitments, European nations are prioritizing self-reliance in missile defense. France, Italy, and the UK have ramped up Aster missile production and accelerated investment in SAMP/TNG development to secure supply chains and enhance operational effectiveness. Denmark's decision between the European SAMP/TNG and the US-made Patriot system highlights the broader strategic implications of missile defense choices. While the Patriot system is widely deployed and combat-proven, the SAMP/TNG offers a European alternative with full regional interoperability. As Europe seeks to strengthen its industrial sovereignty and military resilience, investing in indigenous air defense technologies becomes a pivotal factor in shaping its security posture. The ongoing enhancements to the SAMP/TNG, particularly the integration of improved radar and missile systems, underscore Europe's commitment to countering evolving threats. By developing and deploying an advanced autonomous air defense system, France and its European partners are reinforcing their defense infrastructure while asserting greater control over their security future.